Hi guys, and welcome to this training tutorial video. So I wanted to take you straight into the nitty-gritty of Optimizepress 3.0. So once you've installed the plugin, this is where you go. You go to Optimizepress 3. You want to create your page. Okay, and now it takes us to a template page. Okay, so now you got to think about, okay, what is your niche about? What are you in the health niche? Are you an affiliate marketer? Are you, I don't know, launching a product of some sort? Optimizepress offers a variety of pages that will help you benefit your business, your web business in some way. There's plenty of templates to choose from. Say for example, you're in the fitness niche. This is a great little template. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so as you can see, it's a beautifully well put together template. So you could use this if you're in the fitness niche. So this is a great template. Let's have a look at another one. So you can just hover over these little icon template boxes and see which one may appeal to you, and then just go to the preview template page. Okay, here's another good one. If you're promoting yourself, if you're branding yourself, let's have a quick look. Okay, so this is a great little website template you could use. So, okay, let's pick one. And also, I just wanted to mention that there's also a variety of thank you pages you could use, sales pages. Okay, they look cool. Webinar pages. So if you're using webinar, great little place to start. Let's have a little quick look at this one. Okay, so they're clean looking, pristine templates that you can use. There's so many to choose from. Okay, you can build membership sites with Optimizepress. Okay, let's just pick, I'm going to pick one here. So I'm going to go with the business fitness opt-in page. So what you got to do then is, once you've decided, is use this template, give it a name. So I'm going to say health fitness. Create the page. So then it will load. And we have our page set up. So it's really simple. So you'll notice over to the top left here there are some icons. So you've got the element icon, and what this does is it allows you to go to certain areas of the boxes. You see how they're highlighted and they're dotted? See how they pop up like so? So if you wanted to add a headline, say for example over here, see how the blue highlight comes along? You can either do it along this box or this box here, even to the side. And if you don't like what you've done, you can always undo it. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Let's go back to the elements. Okay, let's say if we want to add a video. Let me do that again. Okay, so we can add a video if we wanted to. So we can click on these icons up here. And we can add a URL, whether it be with YouTube, your own embedded code. Okay, there's so much to do. Once you get the hang of this, it's not as difficult as you think. And if you don't want that there, you can always delete it. And if you do happen to make a mistake, you can always undo it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so let's have a look at the elements some more. So you've got arrows, you can put images, you can put paragraphs. Okay, you can put an evergreen counter on your website. So you can just hover over any box. I can put it under here, under the button. Okay, or if I didn't want it there and wanted it under the video, I could put it there instead. So these are the different elements over here that we can change our clock timer to. Okay, so if we wanted to adjust the size, just hover over the T here and click size and just reduce the size of the digits. Okay, so fiddle around with it, you're not going to break it. Like I said, if you don't like it, you can always undo it up here. Okay, always make sure to save it, and you can preview the page over here in live editing time. That's what I love about Optimizepress. So it really does give a good, clean, pristine feel. You can change the images here, the sizes, everything. It's so easily done. So let's add another element. So let's go to the sections. So we can have a variety of call to actions we can place in certain parts of our website. So say for example, this one, I could put it under here. And you can see how it just pops under, and you can have your own autoresponder set up here with Optimizepress. So I mean, you can add elements, you can delete stuff. I didn't want that deleted, I can undo that. I wanted this part deleted, so I can delete the video, or I can delete. See how you can see the dotted lines up here? I can delete that certain section up here and have that closer up. So see how you can just change the look and the feel just by chopping and changing and putting stuff in there that you prefer and stuff that you don't. So don't forget to save it. Always save, and then have a look at the preview button over here to see how your website looks. So I mean, look, there's so much you can do, and I'm going to show you from start to finish. If you scroll down the bottom of this page, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website like this. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to use this template, and I'm going to do a fitness health website. I'm going to design it with Optimizepress, and I'm going to show you how I do it step by step by getting a domain name, hosting, and using Optimizepress 3.0 in the WordPress platform. And it's so easy. I'm going to show you how easy it is to build this website with ease. So I'll see you soon.